Hello everyone, this is Kiran from Rewire by Automation. Um, I think in my the previous session I have given uh, JavaScript uh, that primarily used for to check uh, the setup is properly settled, properly uh, set, and intended the target app is running on the emulator. Okay. Similarly, if anyone is interested on Python side, uh, they can take the script and uh, they can run it. But there is only one difference. Configuring the Python is different as compared to the Java side. But when coming to the uh, Appium setup side, everything is same. There is no difference at all. The moment when you install, the setup is useful for any other uh, um, client languages that Appium supports. The difference is you need to install the specific language related packages. If you don't install, it will throw an error. Okay. So let's start with the Python. Just I'll give you one readiness script so that you can use it for your setup check. Okay. To begin with, uh, see, as I told you, the PyCharm is the community edition. So for any project, any Python projects, I love to use the PyCharm as a development environment. So same, I'm using the PyCharm, for this script execution. And the difference that I'm talking about, you need to install the Python. That you have to go to the python.org and you install. Once you install, so it will install its the packages. So pip is the package, that is Python install program package. So using that one, you have to install the Python packages. So like in the JavaScript, we have npm node package manager. In Python, we have a pip. So you need to take this pip as a command, and you need to install Appium, this one. And at the same time, you have to while installing the Python, so that will configure the system path configuration. Otherwise, it will throw an error. It will give the external or internal command is not available. Okay. So this you need to install. I have installed in my system. So I'll just give the one command where it will list what are the packages are available. Okay. So here pip list, that means you can understand what are the packages are available, what is the current version. If at all, if you wanted to modify, you can do that one. So by having that version information. Okay. I'm a regular user of Python and robot the framework. So these are the packages available, and let me go to the cmd pip list. So here you can see these are the packages that available here, and you can see Appium Python client, it is available, and some other packages currently I'm installing. So these are the packages available. So once you install the Appium or Python this one, then you will come to know by having the pip list. So what is the version currently it is installed? Okay, I'm just closing this one. So let's switch over to the PyCharm IDE. Here it is. Yeah. So this is Java. Let me close this one. Okay. Exit. So I have some space. Oh. Let me close this one. Not required. So I have Python over here. So this already is there. I'm just creating one more project, new project. Okay. So just creating into this one. Okay. And here I'll give the SD. Readiness Pro. Okay. So here Python environment automatically it will be the created, that is the, so this is the path 3 12.1.1 that in my system it is configured. So automatically it will pick up the Python version, and I have mentioned this one. So you just create this one, new window. I'll opt. Okay. Or is having knowledge on the Python side, they can able to understand quickly what I'm doing here. So this is the virtual environment. You don't need to do anything. You have to create your own the project folder structure. So for example, I'll create with proper structures, so that app Appium, then automation. What I will do, uh, here I will use package file, Python file, the script file I'll use Appium readiness readiness check dot, yeah, you don't need to put that one, automatically it will take. So readiness check dot py is there. Okay. So in this one, first you need to put that elements. Okay. You need to install the packages. So import self, that will be useful. And then from Appium import WebDriver. Okay. So here you need to install this one. So it will be installed once you create this particular class. Okay. So let me copy this one. That's why it is giving the error. So what I'm doing here is, so it automatically installed. So you need to install all the packages. So into this particular project. Okay. So this package also you can install. So there are various the styles of creating the Python classes. So only just to simplify, I have created directly only one simple class, so that very the basic user can understand the script. I have not implemented any other dictionaries or any other rich classes here. Only just a simple one class I have created and one static method. So I'm calling class dot that particular method, so that only we need to ensure that one the given app is launching or not, and the operations are simulating in the target app or not. That's it. But if it is a you know mm, kind of, if you are going for the uh, extensive automation in a proper way, then we have a different style that we need to follow as per the given framework. Or if you are building the one particular solution based on your requirement from the root level, then you need to follow certain standards. Okay, so here, since we are at learning stage, then we need to start at raw code, so that you can able to understand what exactly particular statement in the Appium side it is doing. So here is the packages that required for the this particular script, and you can see from the Appium folder side you can import WebDriver class, and from this particular package side you can import uh, this particular class, and then in this particular package side you can import Appium by class. So from latest version onwards, Appium by is the one where um, giving methods to identify the elements. Okay, so here we are giving the URL, default URL. We need to give the Appium server URL. Okay, so and coming to the options, so these are the capabilities like options that we have created in the Java project, right? Similar, you need to assign. There is no change, only the syntax is different. The Java to Appium, sorry, Java to Python, but the values, everything is same. There is no, okay. The options, if you have same, you can use it in the JavaScript side, but the syntax, way of defining the syntax is different. And when coming to the, now this is the syntax of initiating the driver. So in the Java side, bit different. So in the Python side, you need to use the WebDriver.remote, so that you give the URL and the options you need to give, and the rest all. This is the driver dot find element method, and accessibility ID is the one identifier that we have used for the both Java and Python as well. But the syntax is different. That language to language, the syntax will vary. Okay, so a similar case for the other element as well. And then simply I'm just giving the back and giving the driver kit, so that you'll understand what whether the given readiness script is operating the target app or not. So based on our learning, what we need to have before running that one, we need to have the script. I mean, Appium is ready. So let's see whether Appium is running or not. Yeah, Appium is running, and emulator is there or not. Yeah, emulator is there. The next point is app is there or not, that you need to see. Okay, and then your script is ready. Now you are good to go for the execution. Okay, so what I'm doing is, I'm not using any Python commands. Simply I'm taking the help of the IDE to run the script. Okay, and I'm just focusing this app over here, this emulator over here. Let's see whether it is launching or not. The Appium API demo app is launched, and clicked on alarm and then back. See here, app text is that is app, and then get app element text attribute value app, and get text value of alarm element alarm. So this ensures that whatever the setup that you have done and the app that you are going to work is properly configured, and Appium is able to communicate and receiving the client signals and processing and one sending back response to the client. Okay, so this is the simple the readiness scripting. So you may use it, and once you are ready, you can start for the extensive automation. Okay. So this is the one that we have. Okay. Yeah. So that's all we have from the Python side readiness script, and you'll get the script in the GitHub also. So I'll share the link in the conclusion session. Okay. Thanks team. Thanks for watching this session, and I'll get back. I'll catch you in the next session.